તો ચાલો બાળકો, આજે આપણે ભણીશું મેથ્સ ચેપ્ટર 3 હાઉ મેની સ્ક્વેર્સ. એક મિનિટ બાળકો. Measure the side of the red square on the dotted sheet. Draw here as many rectangles as possible using 12 such square. How many rectangles all you make? એટલે તમે કેટલા રેક્ટેંગલ બનાવી શકો છો? Here's one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. એ 12 સ્ક્વેર છે. Length of the boundary is called perimeter. એટલે લેન્થની બાઉન્ડ્રીને પેરીમીટર પણ કહેવાય છે. Each rectangle is made out of 12 equal squares, so all have the same area, but the length of the boundary will be different. બાળકો, તમે આ વિડીયો જોઈ રહ્યા છો તો આ વિડીયોને તમે પહેલી વાર જોતા હો આ ચેનલ તો પ્લીઝ લાઈક, શેર, સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરી દેજો અને આખો વિડીયો જોજો. લાસ્ટ છેલ્લે બહુ મજા આવશે. Which of these rectangles has the longest perimeter? Which of this rectangle has the smallest perimeter? Measure the stems. એટલે આ સ્ટેમ્સને આપણે મેજર કરવાના છે, આ બધા સ્ટેમ્સને. Look at the interesting stems. How many square of 1 centimeter side does stem cover? Stamp D cover 12 square. Each square is a side 1 semi, so the area of stamp D is 12 square semi. Area D. એક ચોરસ 1 સેમીનું છે તો કેટલા છે? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ને 12 તો 12 સેમી. And stump B. Which stump has the biggest area? How many squares of side 1 semi does this stump cover? How much is the area of the biggest stump? Blank square centimeter. Which two stumps have the same area? How much is the area of each of the stumps? Square semi. The area of the smallest stem, I say smallest stem, E, square semi. કેટલા? 1 સેમીનું 1 સ્ક્વેર છે તો 4 સ્ક્વેર છે તો 4. The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stump is a square centimeter. Collect some old stumps, place them on the square grid and find their area and perimeter. Guess which has the bigger area. One of your footprints or the page of this book. Which has the smaller area too? 5 rupees note together or a 100 rupees note? Look at a 10 rupees note. Is its area more than 100 square centimeter? Is the area of the blue shape floor more than the area of the yellow shape? Why? આ યલો એરિયા મોટો છે કે બ્લુ એરિયા? તમે કમેન્ટમાં કરજો. કમેન્ટ કરજો કયો એરિયા મોટો છે. Is the perimeter of the yellow shape more than the perimeter of the blue shapes? Why? How big is my hand? Trace your hand and square it on the next page. How will we decide whose hand is bigger? Your hand or your friend's hand? What is the area of your hand? Square semi. What is the area of your friend's hand? Square semi. My footprint is longer, but my footprint is wider. So whose foot is bigger? My footprints. Whose footprint is larger? Your or your friends? How will you decide? Discuss. Is the area of both your footprints the same? My baby rhino. My skin has many folds, so I have a big area this way. The air all over me keeps me cool. What is the area of my footprint? What is the area of my footprint? Guess which animal's footprint will have the same area? You discuss. Here are some footprints of animals in actual size. Guess the area of their footprints. હેન્ડનું ફૂટપ્રિન્ટ. જો કેવા ધાર વાળી છે હેન્ડના ફૂટપ્રિન્ટ. ડોગ્સ ફૂટપ્રિન્ટ. એના સનની કિરણો જેવા છે. વચ્ચે દિલ છે, દિલ. આ સનની આપણે દોરીએ ને, સન ડ્રોઈંગમાં સન દોરીએ ને, એ રીતના એની છે ફૂટપ્રિન્ટ. Make a big square and rectangles like this to find the area faster. આ છે ટાઈગરના ફૂટપ્રિન્ટ. જે આપણી નોઝ જેવા છે. નોઝ. આપણી નોઝ જેવા છે. ને ઉપરથી અહીંયા ગો જેવું છે. આ બીજ છે, બીજ. જે બીજ આવે ને, બીજ, એ બીજ છે. How many square in me? What is the area of this triangle? The triangle is half the rectangle of open 2 square semi, so its area is square semi. Is the shape half of the big rectangle? So its area is square semi. Write the area in square semi of the shapes below. એટલે આ જે બધા શેપ છે એનો તમારે સેન્ટીમીટર માપીને કમેન્ટમાં લખવાના છે. હું તમને જેટલું જેટલું કહેતો જાઉં એટલું તમારે કમેન્ટમાં લખવાનું છે. Triangles. Both the big triangles in this rectangle have the same area. Semina. Sadiq. But these look very different. આ જો બાળકો આ સરખું સ્ક્વેર છે, સરખું ટ્રાયંગલ છે તો કે નો. આ બ્લુ કલરની લાઈનનું સરખું ટ્રાયંગલ છે તો કે નો. The blue triangle is a half the big rectangle area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeters, so the area of the blue triangle is square semi. And what about the red triangle? In it there are two halves of two different rectangles. Now you find the area of the two rectangles. Sadiq is talking about what is the area of the red triangle. Explain. જો બાળકો આ રેડ માં આ જે લાઈન મેં દોરી એ વધારે છે, આ લાઈન ઓછી છે, નીચેની લાઈન બરાબર છે. Yes, you are right, and you know what you can draw many more triangles of area 20 square centimeter. This rectangle, try drawing them. Help Sadiq in finding more such triangles. Draw at least 5 more. Complete the shape. Surji draw. જો બાળકો આ ભૂતકાળ છે એટલે તમે દોરી નાખેલું છે. Two sides of a shape. She asked Ishaf to complete the shape without two more sides so that its area is 10 square centimeter. He complete the shape like this. How did you do this? Oh, that's easy. If you look at the green area, it is 4 square centimeter. Below it is the yellow area of 6 square centimeters. So the area of my shape is 10 square centimeter. Is he correct? Discuss. Explain how to green area is 4 square centimeter and the yellow area is 6 square centimeter. એક મિનિટ બાળકો. Oh, I thought of doing it differently. If you draw like this, the area is still 12 square semi. Is Ruchi correct? How much is the blue area? Explain. Can you think of some other ways of completing the shape? Try some other ways yourself. Now ask your friends at home to solve this. Every time guests come home, I ask them to do this, but why do they run away? Practice time. This is one of the sides of a shape. Complete the shape so that its area is 4 square. Two sides of a shape are drawn here. Complete the shape by drawing two more sides so that its area is less than 2 square. Two square centimeter. Here is a rectangle of area 12 square centimeter. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. That is the area of each of the triangles. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the same smaller rectangle? Draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide into one rectangle and two equal triangles. What is the area of the rectangle? What is the area of each of the rectangles? Puzzle with 5 squares. Puzzle with 5 squares. Measure the side of a small square on the squared paper on page 45. Make as many shapes as possible using 5 such squares. There are drawn for you. How many different shapes can you draw? Which shape is the longest perimeter? How much centimeter? Which shape is the shortest perimeter? How much centimeter? What is the area of the shapes? Square centimeter. That is simple. Did you get all the 12 shapes using 5 squares? All 12 shapes are arranged here. Sorry, Balko. To make a rectangle, this is a 10 multiplied by 6 rectangle as there are 10 rows and 6 columns. You will be surprised to know that there are more than 2000 ways in which these shapes make a 10 by 6 rectangle. Draw all the 12 shapes on a sheet of cardboard and cut them. Try to arrange the 12 shapes in some other way to make a 10 multiplied by 6 rectangle. Called you do it. Try another puzzle. You have to make a 5 multiplied by 12 rectangle. With these 12 shapes, there are more than 1000 ways to do it. You can find even one that is great. Game time. Here is a chessboard. Play this game with your partner with one set of 12 shapes. The first player picks one shape from the sheet and puts on the board, covering any 5 squares. The other player picks another shape and puts is on the board, but it must not overlap that first shape. Keep taking turns until one of you can't go the further. Whoever puts the last piece wins. Make your oven tile. Remember the floor pattern. The Maths Magic book for pages 117, 119. You had to choose the correct tile, which could be repeated to make a pattern so that there were no gaps left. Ziri went to a shop and was surprised to see the different design of tile on the floor. Area is beautiful. Can you find the tile with this? Repeated to make each of these floor pattern. Circle a tile in each pattern. Step 1. Take a piece of cardboard, your thick paper, draw a square of side 3 cm on it. Step 2. Draw a triangle on any one of the sides of these squares. Step 3. Draw another triangle of the same size on another side of the square, but this time draw it inside the square. Step 4. Cut this shape from the cardboard for your tile is ready. What is its real area? Make a pattern using your tile. Trace the shape to repeat it on a page, but remember there must be no gaps between them. Ziri made a pattern using your yellow tiles. You know the area of your tiles. Answer this. How many tiles has she used? What is the area of the floor pattern Ziri has made here? Practice time. Ziri tried to make some other tiles. She started with square of two semi-sides and made shapes like this. Look at them carefully and find out which of these shapes will tile a floor without any. Discuss what is the area of this shape. Make design in your copy by tiling those shapes. Now you create your own new tiles out of a square. Can you do the same with a triangle? Try to doing it. ઓકે બાળકો, આજનો વિડીયો અહીં પૂરો થાય છે. તો આખો વિડીયો જોવા માટે થેન્ક યુ ફોર વોચિંગ. બાય બાળકો. અને આ ચેનલને લાઈક, સબસ્ક્રાઈબ અને શેર કરી દેજો. અને આખો વિડીયો જોજો.